Welcome back to D-Tech, where we share the latest tech insights, tips, and creative innovations in the digital world. Holy moly! They're airlifting this beast of a New Holland excavator right in the middle of a crazy busy construction site. One worker with a hard hat is checking those heavy-duty straps. Talk about high stakes, man. One wrong move and boom, total disaster. It's like watching a stunt scene in an action flick. These jobs are no joke. Construction life ain't for the faint-hearted, that's for sure. Oh man, talk about a construction site cliffhanger. That poor Hitachi excavator is totally flipped over, lying there like a beached whale. And just when you think it couldn't get wilder, boom, a tough Doosan rig's trying to pull it back upright with a heavy-duty cable. Tension's real, bro. One wrong move and both machines could be eating dirt. This ain't your average 9 to 5. Out here it's full-on beast mode or bust. Oh man, this big old truck is packed to the roof and totally stuck in the mud. Wheels spinning like crazy but going nowhere. A whole crew of guys is pushing with everything they've got, slipping and sliding in the mud while shouting orders. It's a hot, sweaty, muddy mess, but no one's backing down. Total chaos, but serious team spirit. Stuck in the mud, but riding strong on brotherhood. Holy smokes! That giant excavator is literally hanging midair, strapped up like it's being airdropped into a battlefield. Below, the scaffolding's a mess. One wrong swing and it's total destruction. You can feel the tension from miles away, and the crew on site is just watching in dead silence, probably holding their breath. This kind of heavy lift move, nerve-wracking as heck, One slip and boom, it's all over. Total edge of your seat stuff. Whoa, check out that little green rig. Looks like a toy, but it's grinding through the mud like a beast. The whole course is a swamp, but this thing just keeps chugging, slipping, and sliding like it's got something to prove. The crowd's going wild, phones up yelling like it's the finals. You gotta love this kind of chaos. Tiny machine, massive heart, total mud show madness. Dang, now that's what I call gutsy. This dude's riding an old school tractor straight into a muddy swamp, like he's in some off-road championship. Water splashing, wheels churning up muck like it's nobody's business. That rusty beast might look ancient, but it's got heart. And the driver? Full sends, zero fear. Classic farm-style adrenaline rush right there. Holy smokes! That tiny mud monster is ripping through the slop like it's on a mission. Mud's flying everywhere and the guy's rocking a helmet like he's in a rally race. The wheels are spinning wild, throwing up a muddy storm, while the crowd watches in awe and tries not to get splashed. Pure chaos, pure thrill. That's some next level mud mayhem right there. Dang, that big old tractor got itself stuck real bad in the mud. Like totally bogged down. Tires are spinning like crazy, but it ain't going nowhere. Another rig's trying to yank it out with a tow line, while the crew's watching and jawing away. The field's a straight up mud pit, man. One wrong step and you're toast. What a wild mess out there. Man, it's straight up madness at the soapbox race. That egg-shaped cart just launched like a boss over the ramp, crowd going absolutely wild. These goofy home-built rides ain't just for speed, they're here to crack us up too. The dude in back is grinding hard, trying to catch up. This race ain't about first place. It's all about letting loose, flexing creativity, and having a crazy good time. Total chaos, but in the best way.
This looks like a good speed that they've got. Now they're quite clever he put the driving position very far back over the rear axle. Taking the jumps very well. Now this is the chicane where much faster than the exit and so-called sway. This was already extremely competitive. And they've not lost the steam. This really is a Red Arrows display. Pilot at the back, no hands. Zero regard for health and safety. It's also about getting down, you know, impacting in as few places as possible.
Whoa, this is totally bonkers. A racer is zipping through a hay-covered track in a giant foot-shaped car that looks like it leapt out of a cartoon. There's even fake brain matter and blood on top. Gross, but hilarious. The crowd is totally hyped, phones out, capturing every wild second of this goofy ride. This kind of wacky creativity is next level, pure chaos in the best way possible.
Minutes through the chicane, sparks are flying, but he is also flying.
Hey!
Can we get some damn traffic going on? So this is their third attempt at the soapbox race. So you can tell it's been tried and tested. They know what they're doing. Some cruise speed there. Let's look at the camera. 31 miles an hour. Speed. Zooming towards the water feature. Steady and very on theme. Straight through the chicane, not a problem. He's clawed it back.